Welcome to Men's Club and Airplane Central. What you working on over there, Don and Sonder?
An engine.
It's lying upside down.
It's going to have an engine on it. in a little
Nice.
while.
Dougie is intently reading directions.
Boy, there's sure a slew of them there.
You're working on the airplane music box over here.
Yeah.
Lots of small pieces there. How are you seeing those small pieces?
Huh?
How are you seeing all of those small pieces?
I'm not. That's why we're gonna get the ones that look at this. Look at these two coming out. Talk about small pieces.
Well, we always
Look.
have this.
Look, that's one small piece.
Two small pieces for mankind.
Yeah.
What you're gonna have to do is bring the wood out to just close to that. Can you do that?
Like full wood.
Yeah.
Bob, you have some tiny pieces over there too.
Yeah,
I'm missing a piece.
it's all small pieces, and there's more to be yet to be put on. But now I gotta get it. When I jumped the gun and I put these on a
Could do a couple
Scotch tape,
holes.
I didn't realize how difficult it is to get it off the Scotch tape. That's where I got a little piece here.
Then when we cut all this down level.
Okay, Dougie's gonna spin for music. What song is that?
That's a small world.
That's right. It's Disney. Yay.
Great.
It's working.
It's a short song.